So let's consider the motion of a charged particle in a magnetic field. So this is the magnitude of the magnetic force equal to the charge of the particle times its speed times the magnetic field, and this is the angle between V and B. So suppose that a charged particle is shot into the magnetic field at an angle perpendicular to the field. So here the dots means that the magnetic field is out of the page, and if the charge is positive, then the direction of F will be downwards, and if the charge is negative, it would be upwards. So the magnetic force is always perpendicular to the velocity, and so it will change the velocity direction but not its magnitude. And in this case, the particle is shot at 90 degrees to the field, and so this term is equal to 1. So F is equal to m times the centripetal acceleration. And so the radius of the path is equal to mv over qb. So now suppose we have these values, then this will be the trajectory of the particle. So now suppose we keep all values the same, but we change the magnetic field to 6 Tesla, then the radius is less, and so a stronger magnetic field will give a tighter circle. So because the angle between V and B is 90 degrees, the particle will move in a uniform circular motion. And if the field covers a wider region, then the particle will continue its circular motion. Also, the larger the magnetic field, the more dense are these field lines. But I did not include it here just to compare the two paths. So now suppose I keep B at 6 Tesla but change the sign of the charge to negative. Then this is the path and the particle will deflect upwards. Also, if we increase the mass, the heavier particle will curve less. And after increasing the mass, suppose we increase the speed to 9 times 10 to the power 6 meter per second, then a faster particle will also bend less. So now suppose after increasing the mass and velocity, we increase the charge to 10 microcoulomb and the magnetic field is 6 Tesla, then the magnetic force is larger, and this will be the path where the radius is less.